Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet all of una according to una time. Yes, my wonderful people, this video will be so now they watch so now where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for declare say the Douglas Road don't become Ikonso Road. The video really did touching. Make it not be saying on my mouth una for hear everything. Make I drop the video chapterly, make una watch them. And meanwhile, if today now the first time we say they come across Anointed Lady TV channel, I will make you help me hit on the subscribe button, put on the notification bell, so that you will be the first person to notified anytime we be say I drop any new video. And drop your opinion for the comment section. What you think about the video, like the video, and also share. Let's watch.
I keep saying it live on air to the hearing of the whole world that Ikonso must be avenged in a grand manner, so that in their next life these Janjaweed people and the traitors we have in Biafra land, they will know not to touch a warrior and defender of the innocent, which Ikonso was. A warrior and a defender of the innocent. You know that place they call Douglas Road, you know where? You know Douglas Road? I don't know who was born Douglas. It's a Douglas Road. You know, neo-colonialism at its best. Tonight I am renaming it to Ikonso Way. You see Douglas Road over? Today it is being renamed Ikonso Way. You see Imo State Government House. It's no longer Douglas House, it will be called Ikonso House. The seat of power in Imo State will be called Ikonso House. Any ministry in Owerri, very simple, any ministry in Owerri that sends out a memo, even the local council, that refers to that road as Douglas Road, the chairman will be in trouble. That road is called Ikonso Way. There is nothing like Douglas Road anymore. Ikonso Way. I know who Ikonso is. I don't know who Douglas is. The who Douglas man from where? Douglas from where? Who is the Douglas? And I want signs to be put up everywhere. Every house along that very stretch of road must be have on its wall Ikonso Way printed on it. Every landlord along the former Douglas Road, take note. Ikonso Way, until you tell me who Douglas is. Ikonso fought and died for you and I. I know who he is. I don't know who Douglas is. Ikonso Way is going to be called. And the government house, you know, will be called Ikonso House, no longer Douglas House. Any ministry, you know, that goes against this, Chinekabuno Oko. Ikonso Way is going to be called. Every house it will be printed Ikonso Way. Government house in the way is Ikonso House. No longer government house. It's Ikonso House will be called. These people came to our land and killed somebody fighting to keep his ancestral home together. Ikonso did not go to Plateau State to fight Fulani Janjaweedism. Ikonso did not travel to Bauchi State to fight the Fulani jihadists. Ikonso did not travel to Yobe to fight them. He was in his father's land, the home of the ancients, the land of his ancestors and his forebears, defending it against the ravages and excesses of Fulani Janjaweedism. With the help of Hopo Zodema, with the help of Obi Ozo, with the help of Igbo APC informants, with the help of the Fulefus you have writing rubbish from Abuja and from Lagos, they killed a son of the soil. And the Ikonso will be avenged without apologies to any idiot wherever in the world. Nigeria will remember who Ikonso is. The whole world will. by the time we are done. Every child, even those of them in Hungary, they will be asking their parents, Daddy, what is Ikonso? What does it mean? Then their parents will tell them it is the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail. If you don't know, let me tell you. The Holy Grail. That's the man's name, Ikonso. The Holy Chalice. The Holy Grail itself. That's the man you killed. You have murdered sleep. You don't know that before? After this, if you, every ESN commander will sleep in their house. After this episode, if you see an IPOB or a commander and you will, in fact, you buy a person chocolate. One Nigeria. All of you are there idiotically. Bring your BVN, all of you will queue up in the sun. Some of you never knew that your name was a way to bring in Chadians and Malians into Nigeria. Nigeria is your problem. We'll bury him with 2,000 heads. I hear Jelly Ikonso. 2,000 heads. Upper Benin is only 100. We'll bury him with 2,000 heads. Ikonso, if you don't know, it is the way you die that matters. It is the way you exit the stage that matters. And Ikonso exited the stage as the hero that he was born to be. That is why he will be avenged. There will be no mercy. There will be no mercy, I'm telling you, there will be no mercy whatsoever. None. Let that heaven fall, that you may all perish, if that is the will and wish of the Most High Elohim. What type of country we want, the people will decide. Instead of them to address the issues, they keep dancing. Insecurity, more security, more vigilante, more AK-47, more pump action. Do you think it's going to stop anybody? The more pump action you bring, the more AK you bring, the more you supply the army of God. Your politicians are your enemies. The army propping them up and keeping them in office are your enemies. The police are your enemies. You must destroy all of them for you to survive. For you to be alive, you must destroy all of them. Or else, believe you me, your lives will continue to be a mystery. The injustice and flagrant abuse by Fulani dimwits can only be stomached by those of you that lack the courage to fight. These are the same people that are called IPOB terrorists, but Fulani headsmen who are today making a lot of women childless in Benue. The same Fulani that drove away Yoruba people into Benin Republic. They are not terrorists. The people you are relying upon to come to your rescue are the same people that sent these murderers to kill you and get your land. I will use Ebonyi State as an example. All the years they've been killing us, occupying our land, that we cannot go to the farm anymore, Dave Umahi said nothing. It was only the time that we started to respond in like manner to these terrorists that they started complaining. The death of Ikonso opened the floodgates of hell. Ikonso must be avenged in a grand manner, so that in their next life, these Janjaweed people and the traitors we have in Biafra land, they will know not to touch a warrior and defender of the innocent, which Ikonso was. A warrior and a defender of the innocent.